not just a nuisance. Over 80% of seniors miss the 5 hidden saboteurs that quietly erode strength and stability, until a fall changes everything. Today, you'll learn what these saboteurs are and, more importantly, how to fight back. We're not here to dwell on problems. We're here for solutions. I'll break down each culprit and give you practical steps you can start tonight. Stick around for a 3-second test that predicts your risk for one of the most common issues. Let's get started and take control of your mobility and independence. Your legs are counting on you. First up, sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. It's a sneaky thief, gradually stealing your strength and vitality as the years go by. We often associate aging with wrinkles and gray hair, but the loss of muscle mass is a far more significant concern. If getting out of a chair feels harder than it used to, like you're battling gravity itself, or if you've noticed your legs look thinner, less defined, and somehow weaker, sarcopenia may be at work, silently eroding your physical capabilities. It's a gradual process, often unnoticed until it significantly impacts your daily life. This isn't just about looks or fitting into your favorite jeans. It's about losing the power to move freely, maintain your independence, and drastically reduce the risk of falls, which can have devastating consequences. Sarcopenia can affect everything from your ability to carry groceries to simply walking across the room. The good news? Muscle loss isn't an inevitable part of aging. It's not a foregone conclusion that you'll become frail and weak as you get older. You can fight back against this muscle thief. You have the power to reclaim your strength and vitality. The key to winning this battle? Resistance exercise. It's like sending in your personal army to rebuild and fortify your muscles. And the best part? No expensive gym membership required. You can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Here are 3 simple yet effective chair exercises you can easily incorporate into your daily routine at home. Exercises designed to target those key muscle groups. First, the sit to stand. This exercise is fantastic for building lower body strength and improving your balance. Start by sitting at the edge of a sturdy chair, ensuring your feet are flat on the floor, providing a stable base. Now engage your core and stand up without using your hands for assistance, challenging your leg muscles to do the work. Then slowly and with control, sit back down, maintaining good posture throughout the movement. Repeat this exercise 8-12 times, focusing on controlled movements and proper form. Next up, seated leg extensions. This exercise isolates your quadriceps, the muscles on the front of your thighs. While sitting comfortably in your chair, extend one leg straight out in front of you, parallel to the floor. Hold that position for a moment, feeling the contraction in your thigh muscle, then slowly lower your leg back down. Alternate between legs, performing 8-12 repetitions on each leg. Finally, we have calf raises. This exercise strengthens your calf muscles, which are crucial for balance and ankle stability. You can perform these either seated or standing, whichever feels more comfortable. Simply lift your heels off the floor, rising up onto the balls of your feet. At the top of the movement, consciously squeeze your calf muscles, then slowly lower your heels back down to the floor. Aim for 10-15 repetitions of this exercise. These 3 simple moves effectively target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, the major muscle groups in your legs. Strengthening these muscles is absolutely essential for maintaining good balance and confident walking. Remember to start slowly, with what you can comfortably handle, and gradually build up the number of repetitions and sets as you get stronger. Consistency is what truly matters in the long run. Even short, regular exercise sessions are far more beneficial than sporadic, intense workouts. Think of these exercises as investments in your future health and well-being. Investments that will allow you to rise effortlessly from any chair, confidently climb stairs, and stay active and engaged in life for years to come. Sarcopenia thrives on inactivity and a sedentary lifestyle. The less you move, the more muscle you lose. Purposeful movement, even in small doses, is your best defense against this insidious process. So tonight, instead of just settling in for the evening, grab a chair and give these exercises a try. Just a few minutes of focused effort can spark real and lasting change in your muscle strength and overall well-being. You're not just moving your body, you're actively rebuilding your foundation of strength and stability. This is your first step on the path to stronger, more reliable legs that will support you for years to come. Don't let muscle loss steal your independence and rob you of the activities you enjoy. Every repetition you perform is a step toward a safer, more active, and more fulfilling life. Remember, it's not about achieving perfection in every movement. It's about making consistent progress, one step at a time. Start now, and let's work together to keep those muscles strong and working for you, enabling you to live life to the fullest. Your future self, the one who's still active and enjoying life to the fullest, will undoubtedly thank you for taking these steps today. Ready to face the next saboteur that's trying to hold you back? Let's go. Next, let's talk about peripheral artery disease, or PAD. It's a condition that often goes unnoticed, but it can significantly impact your strength and mobility. We're going to delve into what PAD is, how it affects your legs, and what you can do to combat it. Think of PAD as the clogged fuel lines that starve your leg muscles. Just like a car needs fuel to run, your muscles need a constant supply of blood and oxygen to function properly. When these fuel lines become clogged, your legs suffer. PAD narrows arteries, specifically those in your legs and feet. This narrowing is usually caused by a buildup of plaque, a sticky substance made of fat, cholesterol, calcium, and other materials. This plaque buildup restricts blood flow, cutting off the vital supply of blood and oxygen that your leg muscles need to thrive. It's like trying to water a garden with a kinked hose. The result? Weakness, pain, and cramps, often making everyday activities a struggle. You might find yourself avoiding walks or other activities you once enjoyed. This discomfort is especially noticeable when walking or engaging in any kind of physical activity that requires your leg muscles to work harder. A classic sign of PAD is pain or cramping in your legs during activity, a condition known as intermittent claudication. It's your body's way of telling you that your muscles aren't getting enough oxygen. The good news is that this pain typically eases with rest. When you stop moving, your muscles require less oxygen, and the pain subsides. Here's a quick test you can do at home to get a sense of your circulation. It's not a substitute for a doctor's evaluation, but it can provide a helpful clue. Gently press down on one of your toenails for about 3 seconds. This will temporarily stop blood flow to the nail bed, causing it to turn white. Now, release the pressure, and observe how long it takes for the color to return to your toenail. This indicates how quickly blood is flowing back into the area. If the color takes longer than 2 seconds to return to normal, your circulation may be compromised, and it's worth discussing with your healthcare provider. PAD doesn't just hurt. It has a more profound impact on your leg muscles. The reduced blood flow deprives them of the nutrients they need to stay strong. Over time, this can lead to it weakens muscles and can cause them to shrink, a condition known as muscle atrophy. This further contributes to weakness and difficulty with movement. Several risk factors can increase your chances of developing PAD. These include smoking, which damages blood vessels and promotes plaque buildup. Other risk factors include diabetes, which can damage blood vessels, and high blood pressure, which puts extra strain on your arteries. And unfortunately, age is also a factor. As we get older, our arteries naturally become less flexible and more prone to plaque buildup. But there's hope. The fix? Gentle movement and targeted exercises can help improve circulation and strengthen your leg muscles. Try the 10-minute calf reviver, a simple routine designed to get your blood flowing and ease discomfort. It's a great way to start your day or break up long periods of sitting. Start with ankle pumps. These are easy to do anywhere, anytime. Simply point and flex your toes 20-30 times. This simple movement engages the muscles in your feet and calves, helping to boost blood flow. These exercises help to boost blood flow, delivering much-needed oxygen and nutrients to your leg muscles. Next, try a calf stretch. This will help improve flexibility and circulation in your lower legs. To perform this stretch, stand facing a wall with your hands placed on it for support. Now step 1 foot back, keeping your toes pointed forward. Keep your heel of the back foot down on the ground and gently lean forward until you feel a stretch in your calf muscle. Hold the stretch for 20, 30 seconds, then switch legs and repeat the process. Gentle walking in place, or simply walking around your home, also helps to stimulate blood flow and keep your muscles active. A good approach is to walk until you feel mild discomfort, then rest until the pain subsides, and then repeat the cycle. This is a form of exercise known as intermittent walking. Over time, these moves encourage new blood vessels to form, a process called angiogenesis, which can help bypass the blocked arteries. This increased blood flow helps keep your muscles nourished, preventing weakness and atrophy. If you notice any of the symptoms we've discussed, such as leg pain during activity or slow toenail color return, it's important to talk to your doctor. Early action makes a significant difference in managing PAD and preventing it from progressing. Don't let PAD quietly rob your strength and limit your ability to enjoy life to the fullest. Support your circulation with regular movement and targeted exercises. Combine this with awareness of risk factors and seeking medical advice when needed. Your legs need fuel to keep you moving and active. So take steps to keep those lines clear and maintain healthy circulation, ready to uncover the next hidden saboteur that might be impacting your strength and vitality? Let's keep going on this journey to better health and well-being. Saboteur 3, lurking in the shadows, ready to undermine your well-being. Neuropathy, also known as peripheral neuropathy. It's a condition that affects millions. The nerve assassin, silently attacking the very foundation of your mobility and independence. It's a condition that disrupts your body's intricate communication network, interfering with signals traveling between your brain and your extremities. Are you experiencing tingling, numbness, or a burning sensation in your feet? It could be neuropathy, a condition that warrants careful attention and timely intervention. Neuropathy is often caused by diabetes, a prevalent condition that can damage nerves over time. It can also stem from vitamin B12 deficiency, a crucial nutrient for nerve health. Damaged nerves, struggling to transmit signals effectively, mean weak muscles, making everyday tasks a challenge. This can lead to poor balance, increasing the risk of falls and injuries. All of this making falls more likely, potentially leading to serious consequences. Don't ignore these symptoms. They are your body's way of signaling a problem. See your doctor to find the cause and explore appropriate treatment options. Early diagnosis is key. Support your nerves with a B12-rich diet, a cornerstone of nerve health. Include fortified plant milks, a convenient and accessible source of B12. Load up on spinach, packed with essential nutrients. Enjoy a variety of berries, bursting with antioxidants. And don't forget yogurt, a probiotic-rich food that supports overall well-being. Try toe yoga to stimulate nerves and muscles, a fun and effective way to improve foot health. Start with toe scrunches, a simple exercise you can do anywhere. Curl your toes down, hold the position for a few seconds, and then gently release. Repeat this exercise 10-15 times for optimal results. Next, try toe spreads, another easy yet beneficial exercise. Spread your toes wide apart, hold the stretch, and then relax your foot. Again, repeat this movement 10-15 times for maximum benefit. For an extra challenge, try to pick up a small towel with your toes. This will further strengthen your foot muscles. These simple moves, when practiced regularly, improve awareness and coordination in your feet, helping you maintain stability. Nutrition, a balanced and nourishing diet, and gentle exercise tailored to your abilities. Help keep your nerves healthy and functioning optimally. This will keep your balance sharp, reducing the risk of falls and promoting overall well-being. Don't let numbness steal your stability and compromise your quality of life. Take action now. Be proactive about your nerve health. Take action to protect your foundation and maintain an active, fulfilling life. Saboteur 4, your spine. Back problems can quietly sap your leg strength. Sciatica, herniated discs, or spinal stenosis can pinch nerves, causing pain, numbness, or sudden weakness in your legs. Good posture is your first defense. Slouching strains your spine and nerves. Try wall angels. Stand with your back and arms against a wall, slide arms up and down, keeping contact. This strengthens your upper back and improves alignment. Use a lumbar cushion when sitting to support your lower back. Lift with your legs, not your back. Bend at the knees and hips. Keep your back straight. If you have persistent back or leg pain, see a doctor or physical therapist. Don't ignore warning signs. Early intervention prevents bigger problems. A healthy spine keeps nerve signals flowing and your legs strong. Take care of your command center to protect your mobility. The final saboteur strikes at night, mineral deficiencies causing cramps and weakness. Low magnesium or potassium can trigger painful cramps and lingering muscle fatigue. Causes include poor diet, certain medications, and age-related absorption issues. Try the 5-cent bedtime trick. Soak your feet in warm water with Epsom salts, magnesium sulfate, for 15-20 minutes before bed. It's relaxing, inexpensive, and may help prevent cramps. Eat magnesium-rich foods. Spinach, almonds, avocados. For potassium, bananas, potatoes, yogurt, salmon. Stay hydrated. Dehydration worsens cramps. If cramps persist, see your doctor for a mineral check. Don't let nighttime cramps rob your sleep and strength. Simple steps can restore your minerals and your muscle power. We've uncovered 5 hidden saboteurs that steal your leg strength. Knowledge is power, but action changes everything. Pick one strategy from today and start tonight. Which saboteur hit home for you? Share in the comments. Your story helps others. Tomorrow, we'll reveal the one food that could be destroying your muscle strength. You deserve strong, reliable legs and independence. Don't let hidden factors dictate your life. Take back control. Subscribe, hit the bell, and share this with someone who needs it. Together, we'll build a stronger, healthier community. Remember, weakness is optional.